We got a Honda Civic in the shop today, and this car had a problem. Customer was complaining the car just keeps going. Sometimes it doesn't want to stop, and I'm gonna show you guys there's a problem here, and this can be very dangerous, and a lot of cars have this issue. Not a lot of cars, mean like a lot of the owner of the vehicle creates this problem. All right, so the problem in this car is I fixed it up a little bit, but this can be very dangerous. All right, let me remove this key. You see the floor mat right there? This can be very dangerous. All right, I had a Audi back a few years back, and the car was just going crazy. When you go on the highway, you depress the pedal and the pedal stays down. This is not so hard of a mat, but still it does affect this pedal from coming back up normally. All right, and if you want to avoid any accident, anything dangerous, you know, try to fix up your mat. At least, you know, you can cut this mat out a little bit and make it nice and perfect, and it'll take a few seconds for you to just mark a little line and just cut the floor mat a little bit so it's proper and you're not messing with the acceleration pedal there. So what was going on with this car was it would just go slightly, the RPM just stays high, you know, and the pedal was staying down. Every time in the winter time, this thing right here is gonna get hard, you know, and from cold weather, and it's not gonna let the pedal come out normally. So guys, try to take care of your floor mats to avoid any accident, anything dangerous. All right guys, so this is a no-no. All right, and I hope everybody get this message, and people share and like my video and do subscribe. All right guys, thank you for watching. This is like a 2-minute video, but very important. All right, and this is gonna be dangerous for you, for other drivers on the road, pedestrians, and not a good idea, you know. And just to prevent accident or damages, just take care of this one little issue. All right, so never put a floor mat just like she had. Just try to cut a little angle out, and that should take care of the issue, and you shouldn't have any problem afterwards.